Ndereti iyo yatemanirio thiini wa bunge kiumia kimwe githiru ni MCA wa ward ya Kiganjo Mathari niwe Varago Mutahi akimendereria Gachagua ni undu wa uhuthiri muru wa wabici utongoria wa githuri ungumania kurega gwikira kirore giake budget-ini ya shilingi bilioni 6 ya county gatagati ka maundu mangi. Giikaro kia umuthi kia bunge iyo gikuyoire ajumbe andiki a mohoro na andu angi aria magwikinyitie no mathaa-ini ma kiroko giikaro kiu gia tharara hanini riria amwe maingatirwo nja magituika ma kwihumbite na njira itari njitikiriku. Ndereti yambiriria na niho MCA wa Kiganjo Mathari augire bunge ya county iyo ni koretwo igitwara mendekithia matiganite mbere ya governor no governor Gachagua akaga gutindanirira na uguo ndereti ya kumuhagura yagia hinya makiria.
This is historic by members of our government supporting this motion, Mr. Speaker. It is a clear indication that Governor Gachagua now is going.
Munini wa speaker wa bunge iyo na MCA wa ward ya Karatina Joel Gishuru anyita mbaru kuhagurwo kwa Governor Gachagua. Oho mauga akoretwo agiukirira aria matamunyitaga mbaru.
Each member individually has been threatened. Either a member of their family who is employed by the county government has been threatened with a sack. These members of the family do not even know what politics is.
The governor have really failed. So, Mr. Speaker, that is why I'm seconding the motion by saying, Mr. Speaker, the governor should be home. Mr. Speaker, I wish to add my contribution there because we do not wish to keep the governor in office for long. He should be home. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I second.
Ndereti-ini o ino mutongoria wa aria aigi no augire watho ni uregete mutongoria o wothe kuhuthira uru kigina na wabici ya muingi.
The Speaker, the spirit of Dedan Kimathi has come back. The spirit of Wangari Maathai has come back. The Speaker, I want this assembly to be remembered that we stood for justice. We stood for the truth.
Gukiri uguo MCA 32 handu-ini ha 46 nio manyitire mbaru na mahitukia ndereti iyo ya kuhagurwo kwa Governor Gachagua. Na kuringana na watho riu mekubatara gutwara maumirira ma ndereti iyo ya umuthi mbere ya bunge ya Senate. Thutha wa Senate kwamukira maumirira macio ni kamura kamiti ya mwanya ya gutabania uthuthuria wa maundu maria Governor Gachagua aroroterwo. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Helen Maina.